My name is Ted Davey. I'm the owner of the Window People, currently located at 42 McGee Avenue, Stamford, Connecticut. The company was founded in 1932. We're a sole proprietor serving both commercial and residential clients, fully licensed in all of Connecticut, primarily working in Fairfield and Westchester counties. We use Andersen a lot because they make customization easy for homeowners. From high-efficiency glass to tailored grills and hardware, you get total control over the details. And we gladly look at our clients as being part of our family.
Ted and the Window People were really quick listening to the customer's needs instead of giving you what is the simplest way to do something. Ted came here on the first day to make sure that his team had everything that they needed to do the windows. I'm very happy with the results I've had from the Window People and Ted. He does it with such grace, and that's a rare find when it comes to having any service provider.
If you're looking for windows, doors, or awnings, please come down to our showroom and we'll find you the right solution.